Hello, friends. This is Mrs. T, and I am writing today to help share some tips for doing math at home. I know a lot of my friends have been struggling with their math, and I'm so sad to hear that. Um, so I have tried to make some manipulatives that you guys can use at home. I know you guys don't have the base 10 blocks like we do. On my Canvas page, I printed out um, this and this that you can cut out to make the 100 flat and 10 sticks and the little ones cubes that we can use to help show ones, tens, and hundreds as we're working through our math problems. And of course, you don't have to use mine. If you don't have a printer, if you just want to make your own, just have something that can represent the hundreds. You can make a 10 by 10 grid or just have a piece of paper that represents the hundreds. You can make a 1 by 10 strip or just have a stick or a strip of paper and then the ones cubes. Okay. Mine pretty much match up. So that this equals 10 of these and 100. But just as long as you have something that you can use and that you can see the difference, whatever works. Okay. So if we're if we're doing a math problem and we want to show 112, okay, we'd have one of the hundreds, one of the tens, and two of the ones. We can use these to add. We can show that 12 plus another 10. Oops. This is when I wish I had a document camera. Our two 10 sticks plus two cubes, that equals 10, 20, 21, 22. We can do subtraction with this also. If I've got 33 and I want to take away 20, you can see that I have 10, 11, 12, 13 left. And again, you can draw this. You can make your own paper version of this. When we're drawing this in the classroom, we usually just draw a stick to represent 10. So here's 10, 20. And we draw dots to represent those one cubes. So here I have 23 shown in 10 sticks and ones cubes. And we draw the big square to represent the 100 flat. There's also a great big cube that represents 10 of these together Maybe some of you can do origami and make something fancy like that. There's probably somebody out there who's made a fancy origami one, but that is more talent than I have. So I'm just going to stick with hundreds and tens and ones. Another trick you can use, if you guys have Legos, turn to your toy closet and get out the Legos. So here's 100 in Legos. We've got a 10 by 10 grid. Here's a 1 by 10 stick, and then all the little teeny tiny pieces. They can represent your ones cubes. And with this, you can represent I found this at Ollie's discount store. This is a strip of Lego. Yeah, here we can show 22 plus 10 more is 32. 32 take away 10 is 22. I've also got a link on my Canvas page to some homemade Play-Doh. If you have Play-Doh at home, if you want to make Play-Doh, that's another great way that you can make a math manipulative. You can just take the Play-Doh and roll it out into the snake to make the tens, roll tiny little balls to make the ones. You can make a nice flat 100s flat. Another fun way to do the math manipulatives. Please, if you've got questions, shoot me an email, jterhorst@valpo.k12.in.us. Nobody should be crying over their homework. Nobody should be spending 5 hours doing their work. We want to help. Good luck, and let me know how it goes.